Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage. Another episode working on Gigantor. We got the frame painted in the last episode. Before I peel this plastic off, I want it to completely dry. But right here, we got our amp research steps for Gigantor. So we're going to go ahead and get this box opened and move straight on to installing the, bracket parts that go on the frame and the rails and that part. And then we want to get it out of this lift area so we can open up the doors. So we got to get it on its own weight when stuff gets back from powder. That's when we'll get these wired in so we can open the doors completely to be able to tap into the harness that runs along the rocker. I can't believe Amp Research wants you to do that. It's crazy. I mean, they could easily come up with something to tap into the fuse box, but whatever. We're going to have to get in there, peel the carpet, pop the rocker covers off, peel the carpet back, find the wires, T-tap them. I'm going to try to solder instead of T-tap it to get our signal for dropping the steps down when the door jar happens. So, all right, guys, let's get started. Cue the music. We're looking pretty good here, guys. We've got the horn blasters kit back up where it goes. We just need to hook up the power and ground and do a test on it. Put our overlays on the rear. Cross member next. We got the power steering box on up front here, and it's steering rod attached, or steering column shaft. This does good in low light. Give it a second. There we go. That in there. Steering box. We're looking pretty good. We got 22 days until this has to be on the hot shop trailer with bullet transport going to SEMA show. So we're looking pretty good. Like I said, we got our power steering box mounted. The shaft ran. That's all ready, so we can make the high pressure line that goes between the power steering box and the PSC 1200 pump. And then we got the horn blasters kit back on, and that's mounted up really nicely now. I'm glad with its final mounting. And then we just have to hook up power and ground to it, do a horn test, make sure that's all set up right, which no reason it shouldn't be. Then we got our front mammoth guard stencils done, got those sent off. And then we're looking really good here, just waiting for parts to come back from No Limit Customs. No Limit Coatings, sorry. And as soon as those get back here, then we can move on to final assembly of the Tacoma Gigantor here. And we're pretty excited for it, guys. So we got 22 days to get this done, so hopefully those will be done here pretty soon. I'm hoping I can pick them up this weekend. It's Friday. So yeah, if you guys like this kind of content, you like what we're doing the Gigantor, and you like what we do at Cougar House Fab, go ahead and follow along on the Instagram story that I'm very active on, and keep up with everything we do here at Cougar House, and the long road to SEMA Show 23 with Gigantor here, and we'll catch you guys in the next episode.